Hey guys, I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. I'm so excited to tell you about this condo that I'm in right now. I'm located in Amapas 353. This is a boutique building with only 21 units here. And the condo that I'm gonna be featuring today is a little over 1,100 square feet, 2 bedrooms with 2 full baths. Everything that you're gonna see is included. The asking price is $799,000 US. And like I said, we're located here in Amapas. And the cool thing about this development is you actually have 2 different points of entry. You can get to this along the 200, like if you're going down to Ms. Maloya and things like that, or you can get to this from being in the romantic zone. You just pop right up the elevator. You've got a storage bodega that is assigned, and there is parking. Now, the parking is not deeded or included, but there is guest parking on the premises. If you did want to rent a spot, you can definitely do that as well. Let me know if you want more details. Be sure to click like and subscribe. I do about 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market, available here in Vallarta. So without further ado, let's get into this condo. Hang out to the end. I'll give you a little bit more information and how you can get in contact with me. All right, guys, let's go check this condo out. Alrighty, guys, welcome to the outside of Amapas 353. It's kind of hard to do an exact 360-degree view because you are right off of the 200 here. Let's kind of show you. You've got a little bit of parking outside. This is all kind of first come, first serve. So you will come through. If you're coming from the 200, this is the side that most of the time if you have guests, you'll enter into your private keypad that opens your door here, and then you just have a 1-floor walk up. All right, guys, let's get into the unit. One of the things that I wanted to mention is if you're coming from the front where the 200 is, it's just literally a half a floor to walk up, and then you're coming right into your condo number 403. If you decided that you wanted to come in off of the beach side, you'll actually pop out of your elevator and you are here into number 403. All right, guys, let's get into this space. It's so beautiful. You do have a keyless entry here. I wanted to go ahead and mention. And as you enter into the hall, you'll see you've got a set of doors here. If you open the first set of doors, you have your hot water heater, stackable washer and dryer, and the maid mop bucket there, or the mop sink. And then they have an extra storage here. So if you needed, like, you put your coats and just your things coming in from the beach, you have a nice storage area here. Everything is all hidden behind and tucked away in these nice closets here. Then as you make your way into the livable space here, if you go behind these doors, that's how you're gonna get to both of the bedrooms. Nice entry here. And this is 2 bedrooms with 2 full baths. And I'll show you this bathroom that you have here. So this bathroom is for your guests and also for one of the bedrooms. I love, they did a great job with the finishes here. You have stone in the shower, also on your sink vanity. I like how they have the 2 pendant lights hanging here. They've just done a really great job. It's a great size for the shower. Alrighty, so now let's get into the living room, kitchen, dining room area. You can see everything opens up straight to the ocean. You've got an open concept here. This is a view of your dining room, the kitchen, everything that you can need here, and living room. They do have indirect lighting in the ceiling. And let me just kind of take you outside so you can take a look at this view so you know exactly where you are if you're familiar with Vallarta. You do have a covered rooftop here as well. The balcony goes the entire length of your condo. And as you can see, because of all the plants, it is pretty private from your neighbors that you have down below. Alrighty, guys, so this is your view, and if you know Vallarta well, this is Ritmos Beach Cafe, aka Green Chairs, and then you're right in front of Mantamar. So you're kind of looking out over Almar. If you know what the hotel is right behind Mantamar, this is Almar here, so this just kind of gives you an idea of where you are. If I go directly down below, you'll just pop out of your unit here, and then there's a little staircase on the side of this. This leads you all the way down to the beach. So you can see you are literally just a stone's throw right across the street from beach access and getting on to the famous Mantamar Beach Club, Green Chairs. If you like to go to Sapphire, if you like to go to any of the beach bars, you're literally just popping out of your condo because you do have 2 entrances here, crossing the street, taking these little side stairs down, and you are enjoying the beach. All right, so now that you've kind of had a chance to see your surroundings here, let me do a full view so you can see more than just the beach here. And I'll just give you a little idea of what you can see from every viewpoint here. You have some really great views from your condo. Enough space out here to hang out and lounge at the end of the day. Give you a different view of what your condo looks like from the inside or from the outside looking in. Just a big open concept living room, dining room, kitchen area. Then we will go from the front of the house, and then you have this space here you'll enter into, and then you have a primary suite on your right hand side and the guest suite on the left. Let's go into the primary in the beginning. And guys, everything that you see is included in the sale. They are using this as a rental business, so if you did want those numbers, I'm happy to get those for you. You do have a patio that you can get to from both bedrooms. And one of the things that I like about here in Amapas 353 is you have the ACs inside, so you don't have those the mini splits to see. This is a total luxury building. You have 21 units in Amapas 353, a gated entry so you can feel secure. So just to let you know, you have 2 doors here that slide either way, and then this door will latch as well, so you do have complete privacy. This is your second bedroom. Second bedroom looks out onto a courtyard. Lots of privacy here. Righty, and then the bathroom. Enter into one side and you have the glass stall shower. And on the second side, you have the toilet. Whoops. All right, give you guys just a different viewpoint of the space. A little over 1,100 square feet here. Very pristine, everything is clean in here. There is literally not one single thing for you guys to do. It's complete rent ready. Alrighty, now that you have had a chance to see this super great condo, let's pop upstairs so that you can take a look at the rooftop. All right, guys, give you one more little view of the ocean here. It's just so beautiful. So you pop out of the elevator, and as you can see, you are literally right here at this beautiful rooftop. You can see there's a couple of places here where you can kind of suntan. They have day beds up here. There's also a whole covered area, and I've had many barbecue parties up here. Well, you can do a barbecue. This is just the other side of the pool deck. There is a shower, an outdoor shower here. I'll just kind of see if I can pop up the stairs and give you guys a full view of what this looks at. So you can see kind of, if you know where you are, back here you've got Paramount Bay. Looking out onto, this is the Almar building where you've got the top there. And just gorgeous views of the entire Bandaras Bay here. One more view of the rooftop, then we'll pop down to the gym, guys. As you come out of the elevator, you have a great sized gym here. Not too big, but it really has everything that you could need. You've got some cardio equipment. They have a bench here. You have some free weights, some cable systems, just kind of everything that you would need for a gym. Get your workout on and then pop down to the beach. All right, guys, now that you have seen all that I have to show for the amenities in this building, let's get into a recap. Okay, so now that you guys have had a chance to see this great condo, let's get into a recap. You have a little over 1,100 square feet here, 2 bedrooms with 2 full baths. The asking price is $799,000 US. Look down in the description to find more information about this condo. You'll also see how you can get in contact with me if you'd like to do a personal showing or a virtual showing. I'm completely happy to set up whatever is most convenient for you guys. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. That is my time. I'll catch you at the next one. Bye, guys. Peace.